Hi guys, welcome back to my channel. Oh my goodness, y'all are not gonna believe this. So I'm making this video. I'm so excited I could barely even find the words right now. I got my first PR package ever, and y'all, I mean, I think you might be able to believe who it's from. LUSTER'S sent me a PR package. Like, I can't even believe it. Like, and I just want to do like an unboxing video. I have no clue what I got, to be honest. I know it's LUSTER'S products, but I don't know what kind. But let's find out. What the heck? Okay, so they got me some Super Hydrate and Shine. They got me a Super Hydrate and Shine mask. You can see it. And I got some Hold and Shine Perfecting Gel. Oh my goodness. LUSTER'S has really good gel. The gel that I used in my last video was amazing. And yes, I know I was talking about the little spectacles or whatnot, but that's gel for you in general. They got me the Hold and Shine Perfecting Gel. I do believe that mask I used and this right here are all a part of their own collection, because yeah, the packaging looks very much like the conditioner that I got, or the mask I got. Oh my god, I got some Smooth and Hold Edge Gel. This was a part of the collection of the shampoo, conditioner, and leave-in conditioner and gel I used. It's the Shea Butter Coconut Oil collection. I cannot wait to use these. Oh my god. I heard really great things about this too. Okay, what else do I got? I got a lot of stuff, guys. Oh my god. I got some Growth and Scalp Relief Natural Oil Moisturizing Lotion. I cannot wait to try that. I kid y'all not, like, I was on the LUSTER'S website and I wanted to buy everything. So the fact that they even sent me PR is amazing, and I like want to cry. Like, I am so grateful for them and so appreciative of them. I'm just so grateful for them. Like, their products are amazing, and they're just as amazing they didn't have to do all this, guys. Like, I can't believe it. I'm speechless. They got me the Repair and Strengthen Natural Oil Moisturizing Lotion. You can see. And there's like 3 more products in here. They got me the Repair and Strength Mask. This was the one that I used in my latest video, so I cannot wait to use that again. This worked really great, really greatly. Oh my goodness. Okay, so I was legit gonna purchase the oil, like, after I made my video, because I love those products so much. So I was like, okay, I'm gonna actually, because I've been like wanting to try a new oil, and they actually sent me the oil, y'all. And last but not least, I got this Natural Oil Blends True Shine Oil Mist. Hey. They also sent me a really sweet message. Hi Laura, we loved your video. We hope you love these products as much as we do. XOXO, the LUSTER'S Pink Team. Oh my gosh. And this is really cute too in the back. Oh my gosh. I can't believe it, y'all. I'm literally speechless. That is it. Wow.